বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। আমার চ্যানেলে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। সো আজকে আমি আলোচনা করব XRP ক্রিপ্টোকারেন্সি নিয়ে, যেটা নিয়ে সবাই আলোচনা করতেছে। বিকজ ইটস a cryptocurrency. XRP is going up and up. Uh, Time I'm recording is XRP is sitting at that time is $3.15. Previously, it's like 2 weeks ago, it was below $2. So you still have time. Still is time to buy XRP. So let's get in the board. Let's get in the board. It's like our President Trump. President Trump. He's very favorable at cryptocurrency, which is XRP and Bitcoin. This is the XRP. It's a very good market at this time. So XRP is going to have ETF very soon. Once they declare this ETF, XRP is going to boom. It's going to run. It's going to go. It's like before it happened. Please get in the boat. XRP. This is the time to buy XRP. So yes, you can watch a lot of videos about XRP in this YouTube and some other platforms. So get in before you miss it.